The Gather theme, Business and Leadership, includes 2 sessions. The first one is called Navigating Uncertainty, Leading Yourself and Others in Change. And in this session, we will question basic assumptions, delve into the essential characteristics of a 21st century leader, and unpack the notion of self-leadership. What makes a great leader? Why is uncertainty so damn uncomfortable? And how can we become better leaders in our own lives? The second one is Brave New Business Models. Can we heal capitalism? In this session, we will hear from people pushing the boundaries of the counterculture, investigate ways of reforming capitalism, try to make business a bit more beautiful, and discuss the increasing expectations on brands to take a stand. How can we make capitalism more equal? What characterizes a life-affirming business model? And why is advertising selling us stuff we don't actually need?